Hello, Namaste, everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing great. My name is Chrisu. I'm a Yin Yoga mindfulness practitioner. Today, I would like to share with you that I will be having an online masterclass and workshops. In these workshops or masterclass, I will be sharing with you with a different theme. So they will include the introduction of Yin Yoga, the Chinese medicine, Meridian theory, the anatomy of yoga. So the anatomy I will be share about the spine, the curve of the spine and the hips as well. So the pranayama and the mindfulness meditation. Each of the workshop, they will be include the theory section and then the asana practice and explanation as well. So please contact the organizer for more information or the registration. So I hope to see you soon online. Namaste. Thank you. Just acceptance. No matter it's good or bad, try to accept and surrender. Before we start the class, I want to do some simple meditation. When you are ready, you can slowly close your eyes. When the external eyes is closed, you need to focus on number one, your breathing. Breathing is very simple. Just inhalation and exhalation. When we breathe in, we should feel gratitude because we are still here. Breathe in and out in yoga is called pranayama. Prana. Prana means in Chinese they call qi. It's a life force. Give earth a life, the energy. Remain the eyes closed and focus on your breathing in and out. Lift the hip up. Place a block or bolster. The block is under your sacrum. Remember, option, you can use the bolster, but if you feel still uncomfortable, especially menstruation, you can do it on the floor. You can do it on the mat. Now from here, I want you to open the knee, your feet wider. Walk your feet forward, away from the body. And then open up the knee to the side. Now, this pose is sail pose or sphinx pose, in yoga pose. The target area will be on your lower back, the lower back, lumbar. Recovery pose for your upper body and your arms. And slowly bend your right knee over to the left side. Option one, stay here. Option two, I want you to bend your left leg. Hold with the right hand. And then turn your face, turn the hip over to the right side. Stay, hand by the side. Shavasana for 1 minute. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.